Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man, and good morning to all my friends and enemies. And you see, on the voice of Bed Miller. Yeah, him come up again, A park feel me there, I have some issues. Yeah, man, we deal with. Yes, as me say, Soldier Bed, come have many names, man. You see, big up yourself, sports and lifestyle crew. Yeah, man, Soldier Bed coming now. Yeah, man, in Soldier Suit, same way. You understand me? I'm a bowler. Yeah, man, Wang you. You know, see, me sorry, me sword for me. I'm a one-man army, You never sword on my sword, I'm a one-man army, Wang you, one man against the world, I mean, a kind of, yeah, man, me go to shoot. This a kind of light, and because this them place a cut, So me can't really traverse them part, because the grass, them cut and all, them sitting there. Yes, so me can't traverse that stuff. But you see, center forest. I told issue more and talk about this man, because sometimes I tell them people, sometimes I start talking, it's like another person is took off from my body, You know, see it? Yes. It's a reason why I come back apart this morning, Because more than say, because of park field, and center field, Why me be the YouTube channel, Because I say, I have my dreams. I have my dreams according to Mr. Fallon. If you have dreams, my dreams, like how Martin Luther King, because it's other night, because I do my thing unique, Other night, when time I do the content, At night catch me, A Martin Luther King shirt me have on, One shirt, a bumpy give me the shirt, the Ganzi, one Ganzi, with Martin Luther picture on it. You know, see it? With the I Have a Dream speech, the greatest speech ever written down in our history. With Martin Luther wants to see in people unite America. The greatest man out of the American struggle. Because every nation, every people, every race, every race, they have a man who stand up and fight for him people them. Just like Gandhi when fight for the Indians them. So big up all the Indians them, big up in a seat. Yeah, man. Bring up Amit, Monty and Monday, and Mike and Monday. Understand me? Yes, because India again they fight with certain things in India. And what is what me I fight for now? Is to see the playgrounds them look after. And that me want to talk about this morning. And I say, boy, timing again, Whenever see with me, come in a seat. Come in and go pass half an hour this morning. In a seat. Me now go pass half an hour this morning. Me start in front of the camera, but me go move on park same way. Because, pick up yourself, me can call her name, Me can call for your name, because certain person name, me don't want to call her name. But you see when I needed the reason last night, no, yesterday evening I needed the reason. And when Nita tell me, say, come not even know say Nita can run. When Anita Bell Nevis tell me, say, just like my brother tell me, say, come in and want to hear from nobody, You know, see it? I want to hear from me something, because right now I get all host. I get all host in a way right now because of what talking me they do. Because I see a different sound of my voice this morning. But my hostess can't stop me. This is when Nita tell me last night, say, yes, sir. Yes, sir. She used to run when she did a Nip School. Because when Nip School sports they keep a yes, sir. Then come the most historical going of Falmouth. Yes. Because I go talk about the park going, I'm going to talk about center, Center too, I'm going to do the two content them in a one. Come then I put a post up one content and post another one after. Something and I watch the other one. People most watch the first one. And one content me I put up. I'm not trying to make it half an hour. And people, if the content go over half an hour, Who never see with me? Yes. Because some go on the ground, I'm investigate things and hear this and hear that. You understand me? So me say, and when Nita tell me, say, you see it, she and her two other sisters, I said the four of them gonna nib. All I'm tell Nita mother the name, all of them, Nita and the whole of her sister them go nib. Yes, a nib school sport, we repeat it, so me can get it from Nita. And me get it from my brother. Because them gone nib during the time of when in a seat. When Mr. Edgar, a principal. Because I know, because me never know when nib school sports are keep a park. But me know when time nib school sports I keep a center. Because that's so he left park and got a center. And he left center and got Hamden Estate. Me when they are nib for trouble got Hamden. Figure in a sports there. Me remember that. One way I teach job got Hamden and come a yard. I'm glad to know that sports are keep over the school. Ready now. I remember when time sports start keep over the school. Almost about 1982. Because I remember Jasper when compete. Because Jasper was versatile youth, you know. I bet Jasper also went to do long distance. Remember Jasper running sports there. Over the school. That's a 1981, 82. I bet it's a 1982 still. You see? Alright, so I come to my point now. You see the youth, because I'm going to move from the camera now. Because we show the one me come out now. So I should put on my dark glass. Because I get dark up here now, better. You understand? I put on my dark glass. You see? But one man army, because me remember the show, you know, one man army, you know, with John Louis, you know. When time we used together in a Dolly and theater, you know. You see? Because them days are very nice, you know. When I went time the projector, went to the show and stop. And then I went to get up and start tell me, I will start cussing Spencer. Yes. Because we used together in a theater and enjoy our life. As some see the show, you see it. One man arm, you know. Yeah, man, with John Luke. No. With Wang Yo. One man arm with Wang Yo. Yes. So I tell you, say, so I show me one man army. Yeah, man, me Wang Yo suit right now. Yes, Nita. Nita, you tell me, if you get in contact. Get in contact with the coach, who coach by Skool. I'm tell you, say, yeah, man, my brother, man, me can get in contact with him. You see? Because me prefer talk to the, well, me have a little thing for me. One little bag for me camera for protect the sun. Funny. I have a son. So if the son, I know I make it go over. Come and the camera shut down for me with the heat. Yeah, man, what me I say now? Yeah, man, back to something there. Back to Anita when tell me so if you get the coach at Bike School and interview him. Yeah, man, so Anita me say because you have to go link Gage too and talk to Gage about certain issues. But me tell you, say, boy, me tell Anita, say, boy, I don't want to go to talk to the man then. But I can talk to the youth. You understand me? Yes. Because when we talk to when we called TJ last night and asked him if he can give me an interview in front, in a seat, in front, in a seat, so we can post it on the voice of Bed Miller, so people can hear in grounds them and in concern about about the park playground. Why not prepare once a foot? The youth, the man declined the interview. He said, "No, I'm doing an interview. Me not do an interview, Mr. Bet. But me can tell certain things." Yeah, man. So the brethren tell me say, right now, TJ tell me say, "Come me go move, me travel the camera now." You know, see, 7 minutes gone in my content. Me go say, TJ tell me say, right now, I want. It's Uno General, the friends them, because the whole of the Falmouth people, Falmouth belongs to us. Falmouth belongs, yes, we love when tourists come here, we love when people come invest in every place, that's nice. But Falmouth belongs to we. And if you know that, and if you learn that, I make politics stop dividing. You know. It's a reason why we support People's National Party. I may go start talk about the works of the People's National Party. Because we know that this man was a good man. Yes. So we, who know the goodness of Michael Manley, we elder people, we who used to live in a Michael Manley time, we need to come out and speak out. Because I tell you, say no, before we touch, we go touch look up on thing there. Because time we can't talk. Kimani Marley. Alright, I go wait upon that. I just deal with TJ thing. I don't go on Kimani Marley thing, the center thing. I just deal with TJ thing because people want me just don't do one content and go upon another content. I try to say I can just deal with TJ thing. Because TJ tell me say right you know, I want to know say, because I tell the soldier say, because of me. And because of me, when I can put up goal posts or so, I'm playing a scrimmage football. And because of the vice of Bed Miller. Because partner used to cut them time when he park cut last year, you know, partner cut them time a year there, you know. Partner cut them time a year there at all. Park field, this a field, go cut like a week before sports day. A couple of days before sports day. At them time they field cut. During this a government yeah. Because when PMP in a power, park then they stay so. Because when time, God tell me that when the MP get the money, then God get money from them and God use it and take care of the property. But according to God, no, God say now get no money. Too tough again. Yes. Because right now, you know, brother. Alright. This is enough for that. You see this stretch apart, you know? You see, yes, you know? Because I go just go something there. Yeah, man. You see this part, you know? The stretch apart, you know? But come and say, big up yourself, Tiger, you know? You go always big up Tiger, you know? And Andre, you know? You see the part of Tiger, them Andre did cut last year? At the part here, the section here, with the 100 meter them run a sports there. So TJ tell me, say, boy, yes, sir. TJ say, yes, sir. He might use, yes, sir. They go and teach you them for them sprinting the 100 and all them sitting there. Yes, I am. But TJ say he want the entire field to cut. Because that's why TJ always tell me, say, boy, I better go burn some fire better because I want the place to look after. I tell TJ, say, I'm tired of that, but what? People, they on my thing now. They on the YouTube thing now, people. Because I use my YouTube channel and I'm yeah, man, for all upliftment, you know, and development, you know, because we like them things there, you know. Yes, we like progress. We like place develop and keep in a certain aspect. Yeah, man. We know we play stay chaka. Yeah, man. So TJ say yes and use. Yes. Anita, for your information. Because you say, Nita, you did say something there. You did say, boy, you couldn't believe, say, Barrack School in a seat. You couldn't believe the Skool have track team. Because you see the pictures with them in Miami, when they come to Miami last year. Me see the pictures of them too. Because Jalo just send me the pictures of them. And who take care of them when they come to Miami. Because Mr. Chris Earl and I must have one named Joyce. That a chair mother in a seat. Yeah man. Asha back in the days baby mother. A Joyce and some other farm people them. Take care of them. Come say and Anita they tell me if you find out from in a seat. From TJ. Come tell Nita say TJ a penga boy, you know. Anita say you know penga, you know. And as long as I live in, I don't figure penga, you know. When penga give me one hot Bob Marley, when Smokey give Lion with one hot Bob Marley, you know. One hot one love, you know. Because you used to beat up Smokey. Every time you play Smokey, you beat up Smokey, you know. And we go in the under 14 final. Smokey boy them they was sure. Smokey boy them was sure in a over bike school, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, they did the final, you know. And we the Lion youth them come out to tell Smokey youth and say, when they come with mama with the phone brother, a final time now. In a seat. Call out Smokey youth them out of the movie, because we see a final time, because we was so confident. And I say, man, Smokey, we want one love the brother. One love a penga score. But I already before we man used to name brother. I went him again, man. The man is before we back in them days, the brother. And him gonna give you a hard time still. But what? Yeah, man, penga did score the goal. Penga did score the goal. So I'm going to look at history on a few days. So what me I say now? See the place now. Nothing can win us. Because them party, alright, this is good enough. TJ say yes are good enough. But TJ say what are them part of the problem now? I not want to walk through the Maka sitting here. I can't walk through the Maka sitting here. Because I don't want the Maka me close, brother. Them party need to cut. Them party want to cut the man say want practice relays and all them sitting there. So me I say yes, Nita. A June TJ say. When you see with me, sometimes I might, sometimes I might talk and I might go back. Because I remember they give me back so what TJ. Nita. A June TJ say the bike school I come to Miami in a June. The track meet in a June. And imagine bike school kids him gone. They go to Miami now, pan track meet. In a seat, a year time now. But a June, but in a June the track meet them a keep in Miami. So if a coach have track meet we in a June, that means that the place of it because the local sports day man, because of this bike school beat up 8 primary and them school last year, you know. In the track and field thing, you know, because that TJ tell me, you know, come in for going on some, and but you then keep a Waper Wake Seal, brother. A Waper Wake Seal playground then keep the primary sports. Because they normally keep it over Nip School. When time Yake Primary, Granville Primary, in a seat. Falmouth Primary. Because by school, yeah man, a Falmouth Primary name now. And a Falmouth all age. Yes. Yeah, I remember because when they keep over Nib. Because last time I feel Nib that keep. Because Nib always keep. When me say a Wake Seal that keep, I say, I don't go on Wake Seal, no brother. I don't go on Wake Seal. And I say, I never did go up there. I just turn back and I go on Nib and say, I don't keep on Nib again. Yes, a Wake Seal that keep. I mean, I go up there. I mean, it's a bicycle winning. You know, see? Yes. So what me I say now, when you have a school, the track season long, you know. The track season long. So you have the grounds where you can coach youth them pan. Someone know TJ carry them, the kids him go to Miami, and TJ have nowhere to coach youth them. I doubt if TJ did play no football last year. Enter non commission because no field everything prepare. Oh, you can't have that me a time about. TJ tell me say no, TJ come here stick to what? Stick to the argument. TJ tell me say TJ tell me say somebody supposed to come cut the field. This is how we can. Yeah, you understand me? TJ say in call God. I not walk in no Maca, I like walking in Maca them, I can't walk on so. TJ say in call God. He say God go get in touch with him. God, you see no hear from God yet. You understand me? Link Tiger, you know. Me link back Tiger and ask Tiger say if he can come cut it. If my Andre can come cut it. Tiger say boy, Tiger say I got to cut it. Because all the council them get their money allocated to them. So I got to cut it. Yes. Yes, God. Tiger say, are you responsible for the fields them? Because the man not afraid of God to them, man. The man just start speaking mind, you know, and respect Tiger. You know, see? Yeah, man. If you big up Tiger, you know, see the Andre, you know. Yes. Because you see when the time when they see the stump, one stump in the because right at them, all them places you full of them sitting there, man. Tiger say a wild tambourine. You know see it? Wild tambourine them sitting here. Not for them wild tambourine sitting when they on the field itself, you know. You know see it? Alright, I go traverse. Yes, a forest too, you know. I hope nobody come and tap me and say, you know. Yes, a wild tambourine upon watcher. They upon the playground, see me. Them party, you know see it? We get with that. Them party, we get, because them party at the playground, you know. When them used to gather and cheer, you know. When I say gather and support the houses, you know. Them can't come on them party again. They have to use bandstand last year. I forced me to come on them party too, you know. Because you have forest mean anybody. The playgrounds of Jamaica become forest. This is a playground beside that something there. A primary school. Sometimes you put the yard can missing and bury them in party. And back in the Michael Manley time, them party away, I built one wall when there some. I can't find out. I have a teacher cook yard yet. You understand me? There's some dangerous place beside a primary school, you know. It's a primary school. This is beside a primary school, you know. Any picnic can't missing. We can't go no further. Because I don't want to go tumble over here, so. You know, sit wild time, you know, at this upon Bible school, you know. In a Michael Manley time, me go talk about Michael Manley time. Because, you know, sit, I'm going to stop calling bro God, the bro devil. The bro devil. Because you can't talk nothing about the bro devil. Because they didn't try to set up something there. To set up my name. To set up Rural Tracy. You understand me? They try to set up Rural Tracy. Yeah, when they all wicked them. So nothing know. When you talk up to them. Because them, yeah, man, they all wicked. Because you have good labor right, you know. You have labor right party people, you have good people in the labor right party, you know. But some of them is so wicked. You know, see it? I tell you that. So if you be careful when you get called from them and they want to hear things from you. Because I don't want none of them call me, you know. Because big up my virgin, I don't want to call the virgin and name upon the vice of bed, right, you know. But big up my virgin and say me the whole Tracy thing. I'm telling you, man. Me a campaign for me one, you know. I campaign, you know. Because I campaign for the, in the seat, for the youths them, you know. A long time. Look on park playground, brother. You know, see? Look on park playground. Eh? Teacher cook off. Teacher, you can't see what teacher cook house you see there. Me not talk about park. Look on Falmouth all day school. Right now, Johnny, me want go over there so I can't party so. Look on Falmouth all day school playground. Barrack school playground. Me not talk park playground. Barrack school playground. You know see it? Need to see to come to Barrack school. Look on the playground what Nip school start all them sports. Me say that's how my caption continue. The dark day of sports in Western Jamaica. As me start, as me go entitle the thing same way. Dark day of sports, because I do nothing at all with sports. See, let me go 22 minutes already. I'm going to cover all I want to say. 22 minutes. You understand me? You know, see, so come like, I'm going to build the content for something there. Content for, I'm going to build 2 content today, and post one today, and post the other one tomorrow. Yes. But yeah man, remember 8 minutes ago. This is what the pony field same way. You can't stay so. You can't see the whole time wall in there. You know see? You can't see the whole time wall. And we can't see over the teacher cook also today. A Barrack school playground this one. Conquerors farmer home ground. The rich people in my conquerors. Enough of them talk about me right, you know. I don't talk conquerors people alone. You know. You rich people at the village too, you know. But this is conquerors home ground and studs home ground and smoke you the more ground. Yeah man, so it stay. So it stay right, you know. See all one boat upon the same. But the boatman and the boatman, there's nothing wrong with that still. Yeah man, nothing wrong with that. Because the place now use, so the man does have them boat upon it. So that's not a problem to me. That's all right, because the man in our use, suppose the man was park up them boat there, so that's no problem. But what me, yes people, me go bring this to your attention. You know see it? Me go bring this to your attention. You see the little fence or so? Because I don't want to visit the fishing village, you know. I don't want to put the fence right there, so Allah say, see me all drop there. The fence are right there, so. The fence are right there, so. But go down. See one fence in a go right there, so. The fence in there. And last year, 2 put up it. Last year, 2 when put up the fence there. You know see it? Because the 2 because God tell me, say, come tell you something, brother. Besides, I have that video there. Besides, I have that video there. You understand? Besides, I have that video there. When last year, during January, the early part of last year, before the local government election, I said then cut the place because I God tell me say October they cut it in time there. Because October cut the place in such a way, brother. The place was so pretty. You can stay from the bottom goalpost, everything down there so. All the palm tree them when they plant up. You see the palm tree them plant up, you know see it? The palm them drop off, you see. Yeah man, the palm them drop off, you know, brother. And then plant the palm tree, you know. The man plant flowers out on the roadside, you know. Because I can't show, you know. I walk out there and show, you. You see, I go zoom. I go over there, so. I go zoom and show, you know. You see it? Yeah, man. What do you call it? No leaf, no upon the palm them. No leaf. Can you, yeah man. Because the way them so wicked and so forth. And they leave them gone for the palm them. You know see it? Yes. So me I tell you, look on all them things up on the field. Them on the track, you know, man. Yeah man. Them on the track, you know. Me know why they cut out there, so. You know see it? I not finish because them can't manage them things. How much I glance them things can't, and some like a special thing to cut out them sitting in the bed. You know see it? Can't manage it. That's why I tell them say God, look how left God to do it. But more I know why last year before the general election, yes when cut pretty. You know see it? And palm tree. All the palm them dead. All the palm them dead out. Look when it's the same way. The bottom goal post. You know see it? And sports day. And yes, TJ said sports day. A march. A march at sports day. I go there before Ash Wednesday and so forth. Yeah man. A march at sports day. And that TJ tell me. You understand me? Yeah man. So me go out on the road and show now. Last year before the local government election, just I went cut and start out pretty. And that's what I believe what Garta say. Because the two of us get come and go show now. Me go show now. You think I lie me I tell? Yeah man. See some flowers out there so. They want to know wild flowers there man. See some of them still are strive. Some of them still are strive, you know. You understand me? You know see it? I mean I want to certain part, you know, and that's what I like. I like to do no video on the roadside, you know. Yeah man. You see? So I go take time and go back in. I go take time and go back in. But all of them parts of people, flowers plant out on the roadside, flowers plant go right down so. Two of us spend, God said two of us must get about 7 million and so forth. And two of us dash the world 7 million down so. And fee say, you're gonna win Falmouth division. You understand me? And because they lose the Falmouth division, brother, they must neglect the place again. Because even before sports day last year, look on him party. The party you can't look on him party. Even before sports day last year, the place then after they cut it and it look good, the place will start bush up back again. And then I come cut it. You know see, then I come I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna get money if you kinda cut it down. Me I see this upon something there. Upon the wall right now. Me don't know what it's for. It's upon park wall. So who can read it, Yeah man, emergency, assembly point. You know see it? UNICEF for every child. You know see it? Yeah man. This upon the park wall. The park wall are built by God. Because I remember when the wall tear down and got Billy back. I got Billy back the wall you know. In a PMP time, you know. Because when the MP them get the money and they got and got doing work. You know see? So I don't too blame God still, you know. Yeah man. I don't too blame God. But God will need to stand up on your foot, brother. If they not give you no money to do the place, you check some article. God, come tell us something now, God. Stop, God. Stop sitting on your you know see, stop sitting on your thing there. God, the money man flap your show, God. God, if you thinking of God. God, stop sitting on your house and stop laugh up with the woman about the place here. And go get money. Mister, because come and tell you something. Young people. Because campaign, me a campaign now, you know. So see what's campaign, you know. Because one want to do to all Tracy. One want, yeah man. Come and say that when you ready, when you can't come, that's why me not talk up to nobody right now. Because at the silly season time now, you know, you can't friend nobody right up here sell out to nobody. Because they try for free. Because it's on YouTube. Because YouTube, all Tracy depend, you know. And the man think massive, you know. And the man a bonfire upon Vegas in one day. Everybody, so they want to try, because the man say, come and watch it, you know. When the man dress up, when the man talk about PMP, he dress up one dog in a PMP color. When we talk about GLP, he dress up one dog in a GLP color. And the GLP people don't like it because it's all Tracy called JP dog. And they try to trap the old Tracy. But look on him part, the part burn out, you know. Behind the goalpost, you know. Yes, them is a gather, you know. And cheer down the houses, them, you know. And look at the place stay. When you look at the place stay, me brethren, me the campaign for me own. Me don't want nobody campaign with me. Because if I sell out, me not trust you no. When I sell out in a 2020, Enough for to sell out the People's National Party because the man in plunging in poverty. You know see it? That's what the mistake what Peter Phillips do. Peter Phillips shouldn't contest the election in a pandemic. Because for Michael Manley now won't contest it. That's when they see they call him snap election. Remember when the wise up the man? When Sega call him snap election, he snap election was a 83. Michael Manley no contest it. Because Michael Manley say nah, he not contest no election for the whole voters list. Only can contest election in a one pandemic. Eh? And Peter Phillips saying we not sick too. Diagnosed with cancer. For the man final thing, we should have withdrawn from the thing. The man telling us he not call election. The man telling us he not call election. You know. He must let the country recover. You know. But the man having plan. And you want the devil. And God, people can bring him down. I trick people in, brother. And that me I talk about. Yes. So me I try to tell you, say, look on something there. In a PMP time, Baruch Skool when they stay so. When the MP them get the money, then you got the money and got doing thing. Yes. Yeah man. And that me I try to show you. We got 33 minutes now. You know see it? But as I say, God, I'm a matter of fact, Mr. Wickham McNeil and Marky G, I want to help God. See if we can bring back the place in such a way. Because we want money, brother, to build the place properly. So comrades, we don't see it. We don't need to come in. You know what I mean? We can't get the cutlass and all them sitting and deal with the tambing, the wild tambing. We need to come in, brother, because they might work a massive work, you know. Under Andrew all his administration, you know. Because before, yeah man, under the board devil administration, we not spread no propaganda upon them. Look on the place, man, youth. Look on the place. You know see it? Look on the place. Eh? Yeah man, look on the place, brother. Back at I just see they used to gather and chill. Last year, I over something there, the houses them stay. Then can't, you may tell her, I train on me, brother. Me talk until me worse. Me worse now. Yesterday, other day, me talk until me nearly drop down. Because he was saying to me like me a faint way. You know see it? And I really true. Me I speak up for the people them. You speak up for people, and some of the people them, you know see it, want to try to kill you. You understand me? So me go stop this content now. You know see it, because it's gone over half an hour. Must stop the content now. Because me I tell you say, TJ want help. TJ want help. Because the youth got the place now maintained. Because I talked to him last night. He saying call God to get back to him yet. Me call Tiger said God for cut it. Because pay a finger in my pint pan one of them, you know, God for cut it. God claims he not no money. So, me don't know. The comrades them, you know see it. Yeah man. Yeah man, Mr. Meadows, I had the campaign thing, the campaign manager for Northern Trinidad, you know. Me want to give God some money. Because God want money to help cut the field. Because they must sabotage God. I thought we say must sabotage God, brother. So sometimes I want to blame God. Because God said last year, Tova get 7 million last year, and Tova set the place properly. And because Tova no good, and because Tova no win, don't you so? That's why me go address the next topic now. Over center. Because I talk enough. You know see it. But the park playground. Yesterday going my car start coming in Michael Manley Pitney. Look for where me call me name Michael Manley Pitney on the gunga. And look how park stay same way. And how the people, who the friends from Falmouth, who cock up on the house of America, and about to live in a life America. Who the people, the friends from Falmouth, when I talk about me too political, we don't need to go away. Because under Michael Manley led administration, and not even Michael Manley alone, all of the PNP led administration, Michael Manley, PJ, and Portia. Parkfield never stayed anywhere. Never yet stayed anywhere. And even under Keith Russell, Siaga time, Parkfield never stayed anywhere, brother. Because remember, Mr. Russell was so keep the place clean. We always have 6-a-side football. Just so we compete against one another. 6-a-side corner league football. And that's when corner league still. Man and man does pick a side and we come play ball or so. Right or so. And I do Mr. Keith Russell time, me play JDF there so. When JDF win Premier League, and Mr. Keith Russell bring them down in the Trinity Carnival. And yes, we play against JDF. So Parkfield will keep on carrying in the 80s, in the 90s. But from the devil take over Jamaica, the Prime Minister who have 28 bank account, take over the country. In the seat. The Prime Minister who telling you we go take price and joke. Because I got big price and joke. And they won't go take price and joke like an idiot. That's a Mutabaruka laugh after you know. When the Prime Minister say, I got make price and joke. You know some set of fully done set of people, you know. You know some fully done too. If they want trap me like they trap Walt Tracy, me say the Labour Right Party have some good leaders. But I'm going to close by saying, I pay educated fools. Pay educated fools and fully done. In a seat. Support the Jamaica Labour Party. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah. All of them say fully done upon the both side of the fence. They're on the board for their sense. But most fully done support the Jamaica Labour Party. Because in no way, Parkfield will stay so. Boys Skool supposed to come up and look at the place stay. In a PNP government, Boys Skool never stays so yet. Parkfield stays so, then we in a PNP time. The place let's keep on care. Yes, I am. I'm going to sign off. Yeah, man. Because I say half an hour. It gone to 40 minutes. So I'm going to sign off so, and say, they might try to sabotage God. God, you need to, because one time a D-White cut us, you know. One time a D-White help cut us, you know. But anybody stay so bad, you know. D-White. I mean, remember when time Barrack School supposed to keep and Mr. Foster when want a lawnmower. I'm going to tell Mr. Foster to check Kimani. And Kimani didn't tell the lawnmower when they work. And Kimani give me Kimani get the lawnmower from Kimani Mali. And Kimani Mali, them use Kimani Mali lawnmower and cut the place. Kimani Mali lawnmower and cut the place. And through me, through Kimani Mali must have them fees the Kimani Mali and support PNP party. Me go touch upon the topic there. Me go ahead and me go touch upon center now. So me say enough now. They must sabotage God, you hear me? God now get no money. Them say they now cut you again. So, PNP, we don't need to wise up. Mr. Meadows, we don't need to take Mr. Wickham McNeil. If you want to buy with cutlass and everything, I will come chop down the place. Chop it down and put it back in the days of PNP time. Yes, God want money. God now get no money. Because God ain't Billy Wall outside of so. I got, because Nita when tell me say, sure, that's so much thing me can talk in a better. Because I remember one cricket pitch in the middle of the same part, one cricket pitch in there, so one cricket pitch in there, so one time is so. And Nita when they say, sit down, people sit down on a wall and watch cricket. Yes, and I true. Because when we learn you feel so we can have, we're good for football. And we feel so we can and we go challenge Smokey in a cricket. And Smokey that kill we. Then tell my brother, bigger. They play cricket for Smokey. I mean, in a seat. I'm going to talk about me going, oh, Smokey that kill we. Cricket pushing the right, so brother. So yes, sir. Nip Skool first playground. Cricket is the player, so. Track and field is the player, so. In a seat. And football is the player, so. And look how the place stay right now. Yeah, man. I'm stepping. I'm stepping like the Maverick. I'm stepping. That's why Maverick not afraid of one, you know. I'm not afraid of one neither, you know. We don't trap people. That's why I don't trust nobody in time, my brother. Because of the silly season. But I say, fully done on the boat side of the party, you know. Yes. Fully done on the boat side of the party, you know. So sometimes we see the fully done them, you know. But the educated fools are the problem, you know. The fully done them and then really the problem, you know. And the educated fools them, you know, who support the devil, you know. Yes, man. Yeah, man, educated fools them. Because if I pay educated fools support Andrew Wallace. And the worst prime minister Jamaica have ever seen. Siaga and Bruce are better man than him. Kind of Siaga time and Bruce time. Yeah, man. In a Siaga time and Bruce time, partner with the state, so. So, as I say, 42 minutes, I go stop the content, yeah, and I go deal with the content about I'm going to post the one tomorrow. This one I go post today. Later on we go post it. Me now make it reach. Reach, yeah man, at 43 minutes now, so I'm going to stop it. You know see it? I'm going to do the other content right now. We say a lot. You know see it? We make people know say TJ who interested in help the Falmouth Barrack School youth them at June them come to Miami at the track meet. And TJ say, and a march at sports day. And TJ say, you want to feel for cut. In call God, you know, hear from God. I don't know, God must have tried to get money. God, Mr. Wick and Matt Neal, Mr. Meadows, and all. Fabo, you come like Fabo. God wants some money, Fabo. We cut park, we cut something there. Barrack School field. Someone say Fabo can help God. We don't need to help God. God want money. Because he don't got no money. You must try to sabotage God, you know. So God wants some money to cut the field. Completely. Because the labor items they don't cut here again, you know. And God for cut in and God in on the money, you know. Okay. So the argument, so I go done for the argument now. And go for 44 minutes. Alright. Most can go 45 minutes. Half time. Yeah man, 45 minutes I go put it to. Half time in the seat and wait for about 10 minutes and talk about center. So I have a minute. Yeah man, cover my thing. Because you must can watch. Listen to me thing for 45 minutes. Can you watch football for 45 minutes? Yes, so as I say, I circle the place. Yeah man. This is how we sporting start at Trelawney. This is Nip School playground. Center, Nip School second playground. Hamlin Estate, Nip School third playground. Till in the yard now. Yeah man. So as I say, one love. Big up yourself, Suko. Big up all of my friends in overseas. You know. All of them tuning up on the voice of Bill Milena. Big up the whole of one. But Suko say, yes, if you set up, Suko talk a lot of things. Suko endorse my things. So, yeah man, 45 minutes. In a seat, I'm not going no in a seat. I'm not going no extra time. I'm not going no extra time thing. Because nobody not tackle me and all them sin. All my voice goes up and now still, but what? Alright, this I go stop now. The first me say enough. TJ want help. Yes, I say who me no fear who kill the body. I say me not talk about no killing things still because I want to have the Bible, so there's a mention about no killing by me things. So alright. Yeah man, I go stop this so. And continue now. Yes. Yeah man. Yeah man, the second half I go mail about center. Because what a passa in a Trelawney parish council thing. And what a passa between the Trelawney member of parliament. Yeah man, and the mayor. I go touch upon that right now. The passa between Trelawney member, yeah man, the passa between Tova, and Gager. Yes, Aya. Yeah.